Hi guys, our road trip has now taken us to here, Chicago. Activities to do here, plenty, but are there also affordable ones? Well, we're gonna find that out, and we will take you here on our trip in Chicago to find the affordable activities to do. And this is already the first one. This is the photography point, and I mean, look at the skyline. You understand the name then, right? Well, the next affordable activity, well, it's not really one of the 6 activities. It is shopping. Of course, yeah, you make it as affordable as you would like it to be. We are gonna do it. So, darling, are you looking forward to it? Oh, come on. Let's see how affordable we can get it. Oh yeah, we're gonna shop right there. I think I quite forgot the purpose of this video. Affordable activities. Oh, and by the way, the shopping mall wasn't the only place to shop here in Chicago. Also the Magnificent Mile, a big shopping street. We're gonna do that now. We are on our way to our next affordable activity, by the way, here in Chicago. Can you guess it? I don't think so. Let's have a look. City Mini Golf in Chicago. It got in there. Yeah. I'm the master of City Mini Golf in Chicago.
Years later.
Yeah!
Oh my gosh!
Woo!
Oh my gosh! 34, 35, 36, 36! We got it! This activity, the City Mini Golf in Chicago, we can highly recommend it. You're playing mini golf, which is fun, in the middle of Chicago, in between these skyscrapers, and also the mini golf has these, you know, buildings and typical Chicago things in the hole. So it's really, really cool to do it. It's only $11 per person. And if you follow them on Instagram individually, you get $1 off per person. Of course, we did that. So it was only $20 in total. Okay, I'm the winner though. The next affordable thing and cool thing to see in Chicago, well, we're on our way right now, it is... We were on our way actually to the Bean. I spoiled it, right? To something really cool. And we came into this park with this huge podium. I don't know if you can hear me. Woo! Yeah. If you're lucky, Well, they're practicing, and maybe someone is practicing in the podium as well if you are coming. That was really loud. The bean! Pretend that you guys didn't know that I already spoiled that part. Well, actually, this is not called the bean, it's actually called the cloud gate. But you know, people in Chicago and like everywhere else in the world, they call it the bean. In every city there are beautiful painted walls with beautiful drawings on it, and in Chicago this one is very special, the greetings from Chicago, and in every letter that you can see is a specialty of Chicago, so that's actually a pretty good spot to take a picture. And they also have a wall with pink flamingos, my personal favorite one. A lot of wind, Chicago, the windy city. Well, another affordable activity is discovering Chicago near the water. First of all, the free option to do that is to use the river walk. Pretty nice to have all these huge buildings when you're walking near the water. Another possibility is, of course, by boat. You know, boats can be quite expensive if you do the tour guided boats, but the cheapest way to discover Chicago by boat is a water taxi. So you can search for that, and that's way cheaper than the toured boats. We are gonna try a deep dish pizza right now. It's like a Chicago thing, a pizza with a really thick crust. And this place was the first place ever to make that pizza. A funny story about our order of 2 minutes ago. You know, in a pizzeria you have small pizzas, medium, large ones. That was also here, so I took a small one. Eve took a medium one, but the lady here said like that's gonna be way too much. We now took a medium one for the two of us. Let's see how that ends. Here it is.
And we even have a bigger pizza than this, so...
Yeah, I saw it.
Oh, yeah?
Next to us.
Oh, yeah, wow.
Wow. I underestimated this. I ate one slice and a half. One slice. Let's keep it for another day. So this was the big pizza, all full of one slice. I think after a 5-minute wait you can put your order, and then you have almost after 20 minutes. He's mad! Wow, okay, you made your point. Okay, where was I? Okay, so the lines are okay. This is actually a perfect end of your affordable day in Chicago with our activities. So I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a nice day in Chicago. Bye!